Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got an Ace Hardware Memorial Day sale. It says May 15th to May 27th. I know I'm a little late. I've just been having a lot of projects at home. I'm actually rebuilding a house, or not the house, the kitchen. So we're working on that, and plus my regular job that I have. So that's why I'm a little behind on these sales and tour reviews and stuff like that. So alright, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. The first page that we have here, we don't have any tools. We got some grills. This one's a refill or exchange of a 20-pound propane tank. So look at those if you want to get those. This is a tool channel, so I'm just going to go over the tools. I'm just going to fast forward to the tool section. A lot more grills there. You got a canopy and some chairs there. All these tool chests are nice. My cousin has one of these. We left the ice there and with the cans and stuff there, and it lasted for like 3 or 4 days. So these do work. Got some patio furniture there. Okay, tools. We got garden tools. We got Eagle performance of gas, but without the noise and fuss of fumes. Got the Eagle 56 volts power load string trimmer. It includes a 2.5 amp lithium battery with the charger, carbon fiber shaft, up to 30-minute runtime, 15-inch cut, 0.95 line, variable speed, brushless motor. Yeah, I heard nothing but good things on these. You know, if you want to upgrade, obviously you're not going to be paying for gas, or you're not going to be paying for maintenance, you know, taking it in for a service. You don't have to do that with these. So all you have to do is just pop it in the charger and then just put it in the tool and you're ready to go. You got the Eagle 56 volt leaf blower, includes a 2.5 amp hour lithium battery, up to 75-minute runtime, on low speed, variable speed up to 530 CFM. Yeah, Eagle's gonna be like your top of the, not your top of the line, but one of the better ones there is out there for electrical power equipment. You got the Eagle 56 volt self-propelled mower for $4.99. I can't read this. Let's see if I can click on it. Yeah, be easier to read here. Eagle $4.99. Number 1 rated mower, includes a 7.5 amp hour lithium ion battery with the rapid charger, 60-minute runtime, 21-inch cut deck with rear bag, side discharge mulch capability. I can't talk today. Capability. Folds and stores upright. So yeah, that's all the plus that you get with the electric mowers there. And this is, I guess is this the corded? Yeah, it's probably the corded. That's why they're so cheap, because nobody wants these. Well, it's not that nobody wants them. It's just that it's a hassle carrying the extension cord. Me personally, I still have these. I need to upgrade to a battery. But yeah, it's always a hassle carrying the extension cord. You know, if you can even cut it with this, you know, and electrocute yourself. So this is a Black & Decker string trimmer, edge trimmer, $39.99 minus $10 with Ace rewards, so $29.99 each. So if you're starting out, you know, this is not a bad deal, and if you don't want to spend a lot of money, but if you got a bigger yard, or you know, you're gonna be hauling that extension cord everywhere, I would recommend something like that. This is the Toro electric blower. I guess this is this is it's a plug-in, so you gotta drag that extension cord too. It's $32.99, not a bad deal if you want a low cost. Got the AR Blue Clean 16 PSI electric power washer, $89.99. You got some garden equipment here. You got a sprayer for $9.99. All right, the tools. We got the DeWalt's quality tools for quality time. It says $149, and this is the brushed, by the way. You can tell just by the way they look. It's probably the 885, which is not a bad drill. You know, the 885 is probably one of their best drills. Got the DeWalt 20 volt max lithium ion drill impact driver kit. $169.99, $20 off with the Ace Rewards card. Regular price. Yep. And it includes 20 volt batteries, bit set, and charger in a bag. Alright. It says, what's up with this? Does it include this? Let's check this out. Yeah, I guess it does include that too. And this is your choice. 2 accessories. Let's see here. Limit 5 rates rewards. So you got your choice of any of these. And then you got your choice of these two, $9. So they should have just put this in a whole box, you know. Got a toolbox, a stapler, a tape measure, and some accessories there. Screwdriver. Got a wheelbarrow for $40 or $39.99. Not a bad deal. Arctic Ultra. What is this? Yeah, it's like a cooler thing. You got a can there, a trash can for the yard, $13.99. Some paint. And a Yeti reward. Ace Rewards member by any 20 ounce or 30 ounce Yeti tumbler and earn $50 off any Yeti cooler. Okay. So that's the sale they got. Anyways, that was my quick video for this ad. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.